Today I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery for Audi A3 2020. Okay, release the emergency key. We need to remove the battery cover here. There's a two clip at the back here. You just need to push it up like that. Yeah, push it up. Here we go. Okay, remove the cover. Here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Remove the battery. Yeah, to replace it, going like that. Press it down. See the clip here? This is what I mean, clip. Yeah, when you push the clip, like the cover will pop up, you know. So there's two lips at the top here. Need to go in like that. Yeah, to go in like that. Nicely place it down. Put the emergency key back in. Thank you for watching. Yeah, please leave the comments below. Thank you for watching.